Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's spring. Yes, it's spring, and as you see, there is a lot of snow. It's March 11th actually, almost middle of the March, and snow is still here, and it's still snowing. Yeah, spring is not coming. Winter decided to stay longer. And I'm currently at Ragakapa Nature Park in Jūrmala, and I decided to take a walk and record this video for you guys. So if you like this video, press like, and of course if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It helps to promote the channel and motivates me to make a new, better content for you, my viewers. Yeah. We have been here at Ragakapa Nature Park last year. I will put the link in the description below. Please watch this video if you haven't. And I think we were here maybe in April. I don't remember a specific time, but I think it was April, because on the beach they still had the ice leftovers. But now it's March, and it really feels like a real winter. And that's why I decided to take a walk here to see this beautiful nature, this beautiful snow, and see how Ragakapa Nature Park looks during such times. There it's a sea, Gulf of Riga. I hear some sound from the waves. Beautiful trees. Yeah, it feels awesome. As some of you may know, currently I'm doing Stockholm series about my adventures in Stockholm. I have already uploaded 7 parts of my adventures, and more are coming. I think in total there will be 11 or maybe even 12 parts about my adventures in Stockholm. But now I have decided to take a small break and upload this video. I hope I will manage to do it even today or maybe tomorrow. And the reason why I don't want to do it later, because it will not make sense to upload this video after my adventures of Stockholm, and I think I will not manage to finish Stockholm series until mid of April. Yeah, so let's take this small break from adventures in Stockholm. Let me show you the beautiful Latvian nature. since I have started to talk about my channel and about adventures in Stockholm, let me briefly tell you what kind of content you can see in this series. So the last part was about the Vasa Museum, and the next part 8 will be about one of the famous districts in Stockholm called Södermalm. This district is beloved by many tourists and locals as well. There are a lot of clubs and restaurants there, and there are two beautiful streets from which you can see the wonderful panoramic view over the Stockholm. So yeah, I highly recommend to go there if you will be in Stockholm. Also one of the videos will be about hiking around the lake in Stockholm. It was a very funny video. I even got lost at some point. I didn't know where to go. Yeah, and there also will be a video about hiking during hard snowfall in Djurgården. So please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you want to see such content. I'm not sure if you see it on a video, but it's really snowing. Not hard snow, of course, but a little bit snowing. And actually weather forecast promised snowfall today, so I'm not sure if it was a good idea to go for hiking today. Anyway, I decided to do it. Unfortunately, sun is not shining. I was hoping that it will be shining, sunny weather. Anyway, I think I will enjoy this trip. Also, talking about my channel, maybe you have seen the trailer for my Lithuanian adventures, and this Lithuanian adventures actually happened during summer, but then for some reason I was not able to edit fully this series. I think there will be 4 parts. I almost finished one part, but then I was really busy filming Stockholm, and then it was already too late to release this video, because I thought that it doesn't make sense to upload the video like summer adventures during winter, and then what will happen? I will upload the Stockholm adventures which happened during autumn and winter in late spring. No, it doesn't make sense. That's why I decided to do first Adventures in Stockholm series, and then I will go back and finish my Lithuanian adventures. But what else is coming on my channel? Actually, I want to concentrate more on cycling adventures this year, and I have already planned 4 big trips, 4 big cycling trips. Some of them will be maybe not so big, like for several hours. For example, I want to cycle over Sigulda city, like cycling in town. Then I want to go to Ogres Zile Kalne, or Blue Mountains of Ogre, and it will be MTB trip, mountain biking trip. Also, where will be 2 full-day cycling trips. I'm planning to go to Ragakapa to buy some fish, then have a break, like camping in Ragakapa, and then go back to Riga. And also I want to spend 1 full day cycling in National Park Gauja. So if you like cycling also, please subscribe and wait for these videos. But yeah, let's finish talking about my channel and me begging you to subscribe, and let's enjoy the beautiful weather. So nice. The bench to have a break. And here actually you can do really good snowboarding or skiing. Okay, which direction should I take? Should I go there? Or should I continue here? I don't know. What do you say? Where should we go? Nice. It's so quiet here. There are almost no people. I just saw one cyclist. He was mountain biking. Yeah, mountain biking here when there were a lot of snow. Can you imagine? I think he is training to participate in a MTB race. Wow, it's gorgeous view. Super. I'm really happy that I have decided to take this walk today. And I think that the fact that it is snowing makes this trip even more fun. Kā veidojas Ragakapa? How was the area formed? Let's read it. You are welcome at Ragakapa Nature Park. It is located next to the estuary of the river Lelupe. The history of the formation of this place is quite unusual. Until the early 18th century, the Lelupe used to flow into the river Daugava, where used to be a wall of sandy dunes in the place of the present estuary. The Daugava, however, flowed into the sea through the present-day Vets Daugava. Vets Daugava, it's old Daugava, and its estuary was located next to Vetsaki. Lelupe managed to break out from its current estuary to the sea during the period from 1755 to 1757. Ragakapa formed next to the new estuary of the river Lelupe. And something more. Ragakapa is a relatively new dune, as it has formed during the past 300 years. Ragakapa Nature Park was created in order to preserve the dunes covered by pine tree forest, as well as the seashore nature next to estuary of the river Lelupe. Yeah. And here are two more benches, so you can take a break, relax. Wonderful, good view here. Is it time to take a break? What do you think? Or we continue our walking? I think let's continue, and we'll take a break a little bit later. It's slippery here. Some couple walking their dogs, so I'm not the only one who is enjoying Ragakapa Nature Park. I think we haven't followed this route last time. And I feel that maybe it is time to take a break. So if I will find the bench, I will take a break. Maybe not this bench, but maybe the next bench. Let's try to go up. Someone made a snowman, but I think he lost one hand. Let's put it back. there is one more reason to take a break, because my battery almost finished, around 30%. Yeah, you know, it's winter, cold, and it's a GoPro, but I have bought a new battery, new Enduro battery, which comes with new GoPro 11, but you can buy it separately, and this Enduro battery lasts longer, and it's compatible the older versions of GoPro 10 and GoPro 9. So let's test this battery, if it really lasts longer during the cold times. One more bench here. I think this is the way back, but I see something interesting there. I think this is a good place to take a break. Where's the table? I have my food with me, so let's go there. Also, I want to visit Ragakapa King, the big pine. I had a warm tea with me. I recently bought, I'm not sure how it's called in English, thermos in Decathlon. Maybe I will make a video about some things that I have bought in Decathlon, not only in Decathlon, and we'll do the review video. Unfortunately, there is no table. Would be good if they put some table here and maybe one here, but okay. Yeah, I see some parents, their kids having fun here in the forest. Yeah, not so many people, but some people enjoying the nature. Yeah, let's test if this thermos is good, if the tea is still warm. I think it will not be hot, but I hope it will be warm. But maybe it's even hot. Let's check. It's really hot, and it has been, I guess, 1 hour and a half since I made this tea. Let's check what else I have bought. What I have brought, sorry. Some caramel biscuits. Okay, let's eat them. Some cheaper version of the Twix, and not so tasty. And this thermos, you don't need to bring the cup because it's already here. Actually, it's nice weather, but it totally doesn't feel like spring. It's a real winter. I want more tea. Yeah, there will be Brīvdabas Muzejs, open air museum, which we visited last time, and we really liked it. And the entrance is for free. So if you will be in Ragakapa Nature Park, feel free to visit it. I'm not sure if it's open now in March, but we were here in April and it was open. Have some Raffaello, I think it will be better than this cheaper version of the Twix. Much better. The hot tea, this is what you need during such time, during such weather. Yeah, and if we will go in that direction, if we will go there straight and then we turn at some point left, we can find the Ragakapa King. But it's time to go. But first I need to change the battery. Yeah, this is open air museum, but we should go there to see the Ragakapa King. Yeah, the sun is not shining, but it's still so beautiful. This is really cool place to visit with your kids. Yeah, this is the open air museum. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, Enduro battery is up and running, and we are ready to continue our journey. But you should be very careful because it may be slippery. I'm not sure, should I go there or maybe I can take this path. Yeah. Okay, let's try here. Oh, I'm wondering if this is some animal, maybe some dog, or maybe it's a wolf. or the fox. I'm joking. You hear the sound from the snow when I'm walking. Oh, I love these nature sounds. So, Ragakapa King, where are you? I think he's there. Yeah. Oh. Here he is, the king of Ragakapa. The wonderful and beautiful king of Ragakapa. I need to take a picture of this beautiful pine. Yeah, I'm really happy. So nice. Snow is falling. And it's actually not so cold today. For the winter times, I would say it's even warm. The Ragakapa King. Yeah! Actually, last summer, Ragakapa King saved my life. He showed me the way. Because I was cycling here near Ragakapa Nature Park, and at some point I was lost. Like, I didn't know in which direction to go, and I was really tired. I wanted to go back, and I wasn't sure where to go. And then I saw the Ragakapa King, and then I knew the way. He showed me the way. This is the way. By the way, are you watching the new Star Wars show, The Mandalorian? It's really good. It's real Star Wars. And I'm very big fan of The Mandalorian. I was not so happy about the Book of Boba Fett show, but you need to watch it if you want to know what happened, because it's hard to watch the new season of Mandalorian without knowing what happened in the Book of Boba Fett. And I'm really happy that Disney Plus service is available in Latvia. Okay, but let's continue our journey. I hope I will not fall here. Yeah. I need to get up. But actually I'm tired. I hope I will not be lost again. Yeah, let's turn left and oh, sorry, and go there. Yeah, I think this video will be very long, maybe 40, maybe 50 minutes. I hope not longer than 50 minutes. But our journey almost finished. I think I will follow this path. Maybe I will check the beach. Let's see what's there, how the sea looks during this weather, and then I will go back home to drink some hot coffee. Yeah, this backpack I also bought it in Decathlon, and as I said, maybe I will do the review of the things which I bought on Decathlon, and also bought some bag for my bike, for bike packing, like not heavy bike packing. Yeah, and maybe this backpack is not good for really long hikings, but for such small hike, walking, it's good. Yeah, I'm really happy about this adventure, and I think it's a good content for my channel. So please press like, post your comments. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, like. And if you live in Riga, you don't have to drive far away to enjoy the nature, to enjoy the beautiful places. This Ragakapa Nature Park, not far away from Riga, in the beginning of Jūrmala, near river Lielupe, and it's very beautiful. Even now, during the winter, it's so much fun walking, hiking here, having a break. You can do skiing. Not sure about the snowboarding. There are a lot of trees here, so you need to be careful. Yeah. Do you think I'm going in the right direction, by the way? I think I am, but not 100% sure. I think now you can see that it's really snowing, but I like it. Yeah, sorry if this video is very long. I just want to show you everything what I have filmed today, because the nature is so beautiful. I guess I have said it a million times by now, but yeah, sorry that this video is very long. I hope some of you have watched it till the end, and if you do, please spend some minute to post your comments. I would really appreciate it. Yes, some more people walking with their dogs. Maybe let's not disturb the dogs and go in a different direction. No, I'm not afraid of them. I think they are nice, but who knows? You always should be careful of the dogs, I think. So let's go here, and then maybe where will be another entrance to the beach. Yeah, I see some benches there. I arrived here in the morning and there were not so many people. Now I see that the people are coming. They are walking here, running. I'm wondering when the real spring will come, because I really wanted the spring. I want to do some cycling, you know, prepare for the MTB race. But winter don't want to go. Winter wants to stay. And here is the sea, or the Gulf of Riga. Let's go to the beach. So beautiful. Do you hear the sound of the sea? See? Far away. There are some silhouettes which you can see, but it's really hard to see far away. I guess because of the snow. And empty beach. Just some people walking far away. So now I'm walking down the beach because in the forest in Ragakapa Nature Park and now it's time to enjoy the sea. Yeah, as I said, the journey is almost finished. I hope so, because I'm tired. And I want to go home. Anyway, let's take a short walk here. I think my car is not so far away. By the way, Enduro battery have 40%. I'm not sure if it's a good result or not. But anyway, I needed extra battery for my new adventures, and yeah, that's why I bought the Enduro battery. Actually, I wanted to order it from GoPro official webpage. This is where I have ordered my camera, but for some reason they did not send the batteries to Latvia. I'm not sure why. I didn't manage to buy it. Like, you can buy the camera, like some bundle which has the extra battery, then yes, they send. But if you want just to buy one battery, they don't send it. I don't know why. I think I almost at my final destination, near the place where I have started my journey. Everything is in white, like a mist. But it's just snowing. Here in the summer you can play beach volleyball. I hope you have enjoyed this walking virtual tour with me. If you do, you know, press like, and I will make more similar content for you, because in Latvia we have a lot of beautiful nature trails, and I can make similar videos in this format when we are walking, talking, less music, maybe more useful information, or just talking. So yeah, our adventure is over. Bye.